It's been almost a year since our failed attempt at reaching Summitville. I was on my way back to the San Juan Mountains, driven not only by the fact that I didn't reach the ghost town last year, but also by the fact the area is amazingly beautiful. The difference between this year and last is I was by myself, and this was the first trip on my new 2014 V Strom. Last year we approached Summitville from the south through Antonito on Highway 17. This year I would approach from the north side off of Highway 160 through the town of South Fork. Both the town and the highway was closed last year due to the forest fire. After today's successful return trip to visit Summitville, it was on this trip where I made the decision to do my solo ride to Alaska in 2015, where I would once again experience another failed trip trying to reach Prudhoe Bay. However, my determination is stronger to reach Prudhoe Bay in the near future than it was to reach Summitville this year, so it will most likely lead to a second trip on the Dalton Highway at some point in time. Funny how one thing leads to another.